I just want to go through the 9 steps of feedback that are generated at the moment by the AI language coach. So I'll upload a file in Spanish and go through the steps. Here you can see step 1, which is just identifying the errors. Step 2 is correcting the errors. Unfortunately, it only selects words which are wrong and doesn't give you the complete context. First example, it says un, so you've repeated the word. It should just be un. Carré is in Catalan, and it's been corrected to calle, which is the right word in Spanish. Step 3 is the corrected version written out in full, and the idea is here you can listen to it by clicking on read aloud. Here at step 4 you've got suggestions for ways to make it more colloquial. The read aloud will read aloud the original sentence or phrase and then the improved phrase. Step 5 shows the more colloquial version written out in full, and by clicking on read aloud you can listen to it. Step 6 has ideas of ways the language can be enhanced to a higher level, just half a CEFR level. There are 2 screens of these suggestions. Step 7 gives the full improved version, half a CEFR level above the colloquial version, and it's useful because you can listen to it being read aloud. Step 8 shows ideas that can be included to raise the language level even higher, another full CEFR level. And there are 2 screens of these suggestions too. Step 9 shows the complete text of the version, which is now 1.5 CEFR levels above the colloquial version in step 5. The advantage of it is now that students can listen to it being read aloud. There are 2 screens because it's a bit longer. I clicked on Start a New Session. Then I could see the home page of AI language tools, which included from now on a session history option. When you click on, for example, the one we've just been doing in session history, we can go back and see all the feedback. We can only listen to the very last part being read aloud. Although, of course, if you're using Edge, you can select any part of the text and ask for it to be read aloud. You'll probably have to change the voice from whatever voice you were using last to be a Spanish voice. I've also looked at, is it possible to save the feedback? And it is. You can just select it all by dragging down from the very first bit of feedback down to the end, copying and pasting it into Word. I hope you'll find time to experiment with using AI Language Coach. You can either start a practice session, which just means having a conversation in any language with the coach, or you can upload an audio file in any language that you've recorded previously. I hope that's useful.